Come test drive the 2016 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, MP3 player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.